Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 14 video of learning Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level, and in this video we will be discussing the different tools and their functions with the help of example for the better understanding that are available in the formula tab. Uh, so these tools which are available in the formula tab in this main menu bar, the formula is the one menu, and these are the different tools that are associated with the formulas. So we will be discussing these in detail with the help of example in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also if you want to run the different softwares related to civil and structural engineering, you can visit this channel. So let's start the different tool, means the formulas and their functions that are available in this formula tab. So these are the different tools we will be discussing. So the first one is the insert functions. Through this insert functions, you can insert the function anywhere in any cell in your Excel sheet. So let's suppose this is the cell where we want to insert the functions. So we will select the cell, either this or this or this, anyone you want to select in the Excel sheet, and then we'll click on the insert functions. Now you can see this window will open, and here an equal sign has been now appeared and visible. So when you select the functions from, there are a lot of functions available here. You can scroll down, so you can select anyone as per your requirements and interests you want. So let's suppose we want to put the sum function. So here this is, first we will select the category, and then we will select the sum. So this is the sum, and then we will click on OK, and then we will select the columns or the data which we want to sum. So this is the data we want to sum. So now this has been selected, and now when you click on OK, so now you can see the summation of this number is equal to 55. So the summation of these numbers, this 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 1, 3, 4, 6, 10 is equal to 55. Let's suppose you want to put your functions here, so you will select this cell and will click on the insert, and now you want to select insert any function you can select. So you will select the sum, and then we'll click on OK, and now we have to enter the data. So from here to here we enter the data, and then we'll click on the OK. So now the summation of these number is equal to 55. And you can clean by deleting, or by backspace you can clear your cell. So the next one is the auto sum. From here you can select the auto functions. Either you can select the sum, average, count numbers, maximum and minimum, and some more functions. So let's suppose we want to uh, use these functions is the auto sum. So we will first click on the auto sum, and as you can see this column has been automatically selected, and when you click just enter, so all the data means the numbers has been added in this column and the answer is 55. So through this tool means the auto sum, you can also take the average directly. Take the If you want to take the average directly, so you will click on the average. So you can see this column has been automatically selected and this formula has been automatically applied is equal sign average into from D5. This is the D5. From D5 tell the D15. This is the D15. So when you click just enter, so the average has been calculated, which is 5.5. And if you want to count the number, so you will just click and the column will be automatically selected, and you will the formula has been applied automatically, and you will just end and just enter. Click on the enter, so the number has been calculated, which is 10. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So the total counted number is 10 in this column. So this is what we can automatically to find the max. So you will erase this, and let's suppose we select this column and click on the max. So the maximum number in this column is when you just enter, so the 10. So the 10 is the number which is the highest, mean the maximum in all these numbers. The next one is the min. When you select the minimum, which is the shortcut is the min, and so the formula has been automatically applied, and when you just enter, so this is the number which is the minimum in all these numbers, which is the one, this one. So this is how you can apply the auto sum rule functions, means the formulas, to your data for the purpose to perform directly and fastly the work or process you want to perform. The next one is the recently used tools. Here all those tools that you have recently used, so those will be available here in this dictionary, and this is the formula dictionary, and you can then apply those easily and can find easily that what type of tools that I or you have used before. The next one is the financial. So all these formulas are basically applied and related to the financial analysis of data and interpretation. So all these tools are associated with the financial. You can apply as per your requirements. The next one is the logical. Here in the Excel sheet, you can perform the logical analysis on the data as you want to perform. And the next one is the text. Here you can apply the text depending on your requirements. You can apply. The next one is the date and time. Here you can apply the date and time as per your requirements with data. And here the next one is the lookup and reference. Here you can apply the lookup and reference to the your data, and you can use the lookup and reference depending on your requirements. The next one is the math and Trigonometry. These are the different formulas and tools that are associated with the math and trigonometry that you can apply to your data for the interpretations and analysis purposes. So you can select any tools as per your requirements and can apply to your data for the simplification and analysis. The next one is the more functions. From here you can apply the more functions as per your requirements. So these are the statistical, and then in statistical there are a lot of different tools and formulas. These, as you can see, I am scrolling down, so you can see there are a lot of formulas, and depending on your requirements you can apply. These all formulas are associated with the statistical. The next one is the engineering, and these are the different formulas associated with the engineering analysis of and interpretation of your data by using these engineering formulas. The next one is the cube. So these are the different formulas associated with the cubes you can apply as per your requirements. The next one is the information. So these are the different information you can apply to your data and can use as per your requirements. The next one is the compatibility. In the compatibility, these are the different tools, means the associated formulas you can apply to interpret your data as per your requirements. So depending on the requirements, you can select any one of these. So these are basically the more functions available in the function library of the formula tab. So these are the different tools associated with the function library. The next one is the name manager. From here you can manage your names, which is the name managers. The next one is the define name. The next one is the use in formula, create from selection. So these are the different tools associated with the define names. The next category of the tool is formula auditing. Here you can audit the formula by trace precedence, by trace dependence, the remove error, and these are the sub remove error, remove precedent error, remove dependent error. So these are the sub tools in the remove error. The next one is the show formula error checking. From here you can check errors, and these are the sub tools in the error checking you can apply. And the next one is the evaluate formula. You can use to evaluate by using this formula. And this is the watch. The next one is the watch window. Here you can watch the window where you are working and want to show and watch. And the next category of the tool is the calculations. Through this calculations you can apply the calculation options. This is one is automatic, the next one is the automatic except for data tables, and the third one is the main one. So the calculation options, the calculate now, calculate sheet. So these are the different tools associated with the calculation. So till now we have discussed the different tools and formulas that are associated with the formula type. We have discussed in detail. So now if you have any questions in these tools, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.